What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Don't Trust Nobody by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. It's using 3 different chords. I will have the names and the diagrams in the bottom of the description. If you need those, go check them out once you get done with the video. Your first chord is going to be here. It's 12X, 10, 12, 12. Middle finger on your low E on your 12th fret. Skip the A string. Your index finger is on your D string on your 10th fret. Ring finger is on your 12th fret on your G string, and your pinky finger is on your 12th fret on your B string. And then next chord is going to be 11x 11 or 10x 10 12 12. So you're just barring the 10th fret with your index finger and then putting your ring finger, you're keeping your ring finger and your pinky where they are from the first chord. They're both on the 12th fret on the G and B string. Your next chord is going to be here. It's 8x 998. And that's going to be index finger, low E on the 8th fret, skip the A string, your ring finger is on your D string on your 9th fret, your pinky finger is on the G string on the 9th fret, and your middle finger is on the B string on the 8th fret. Once you have the chords down, all you need after that is the rhythm, and it's just going to be 4 counts of 4, and you're switching to each chord on the first count. So start with your first chord here. You're picking your low E with your thumb, your D string with your index finger, your G string with your middle finger, and your ring finger is picking your B string, and that's the same for all the chords. So we're starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you stay right here for that next count of 4. And you don't pick it, you don't do anything, you just let it ring for, the last chord rings for 8 counts, which is the final 2 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once you get that down, you can add a little flair to it by adding the guitar slaps or the mutes, whatever you like to call it. You're just taking your right hand and just lightly slapping the strings to give it that kind of percussion sound, and also mute the strings. That's going to be on the 3 of every 4 count. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, for that last chord, since you're staying there for 2 counts of 4, don't do the slap on the first 3, just do it on the second 3. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.